All right, I'm Naomi Bennett, and we're going to discuss the first quarter of 2014 for aspects, for events, and for the stock market. We've only had 2 trading days so far. They were down, and they're being attributed mostly for people who had big gains in 2013, did not want to have to pay taxes in 2014, so they did the selling the first few days in January so that they don't really pay taxes until 2015. I see that the stock market will continue to be up for the bulk of the quarter until about the middle of March, and then I think it will start sliding down. With world events, it'll be relatively calm. We do have a moon wobble coming in January the 27th, but again, I don't see major dramatic events occurring. We're going to be renegotiating our budgets and having Congress fighting against major changes and digging in their heels. But I think the big action is going to happen in next quarter. Let's look at the aspects and the charts that I have developed. This is the chart for the first quarter, and the biggest thing you'll notice is the horizontal green line, which is Jupiter's node. This is what has been supporting the stock market in 2013, and it continues for the bulk of this quarter. So I think that in general the market will continue up. I think it'll start turning around and going down at the very last week in March. When we have the sun hitting Uranus, I think we'll have a bit of a change. Note the date, though, of June the 22nd with the moon node, in that it will might be a slight dip in the market. Whenever we have a moon wobble, you usually see a dip in the stock market. We have had conservative attitudes in Congress. I think you're going to continue that stalemate, because you'll see that Saturn is down on the Mars node during this part of the year, and maybe we'll have some resolutions regarding the military sexual abuse and changes in our laws regarding sexual abuse of women in the military. We may wind up seeing other court events happening during this time. So with this, I think we will close for the first quarter of 2014, and then be very careful about your investments, because I think we could have some very big events in April that could really change how we perceive our economy and the stock market. So I would urge you to be very alert and very aware of your investments in April, because it will be a real roller coaster. With this, I wish you the best of luck. This is Naomi Bennett signing out.